In today's video, I'm going to show you how to expand the Marslander using the R909. So this is the Marslander. It's a Bitcoin miner that anybody can use. It gets up to 300 gigahashes or so out of the box. You can get one, the link below. But let's say you buy one and you want to expand it, make it more powerful, then we offer the R909 pod miner. Now we have two versions, one with black fan and one with blue LED fan. Today we're going to use that. Once you set up the Marslander, it's ready to expand. So we have a separate video for that. I'll leave a link below again for the video how to set up the Marslander. When you buy the R909 from bitcoinmerch.com, you're going to receive a power supply that works with 110 and 220, so all over the world, a USB cable to expand the Marslander. In the back of the R909, there's a place for the USB right there. And we're gonna plug in the USB to the side of the Marslander, the expansion port right there. Now for the power, the same thing. We have a power plug in the back. I'm gonna plug that in there. It will just start hashing right away. You will see the number goes up on the hash rate, up and up and up to about almost 2000 gigahashes compared to about 250 to 300. Let me show you how it looks like on the setup page on the Marslander, so you can actually adjust the frequency. All right, so on my Marslander page, it shows me the IP address of 192, the 168, that's 0, 2, and 203. That's when the Marslander is already logged into the network. From here, I simply go to advanced settings. I now see the R909 and I can adjust the frequency. I'm gonna go for 440 megahashes on the frequency because I know it's gonna do a little bit better and more stable than 450. So once I did that, I have to wait and it will refresh my page on my phone and will show me the new results. All right guys, we waited about 20-30 minutes and now we are getting full hashing power of over 1979. Nice. Now you know how to change your frequency from the screen and we can actually add more units. Okay guys, we're now mining with two R909s. I simply added the power and the USB to the back of the second R909. You see a little note here, it says do not plug to a Marslander because this is 12 volts, so don't plug it in here. It's only for R909, okay? And on our Marslander page on our phone, simply go to advanced settings and you can see all three units, Compact F, R909 and another R909, and I can change the frequency on each one individually, which is amazing. And I can actually see how they're doing. My Marslander gets 300, one of them gets 1680 and another one gets 1670 gigahashes, so they're very close to each other. Here's the power supplies. That's how they look like, and we need two of them for this setup, so we got two. And you get one when you buy the R909. Notice how easy it was. It's plug and play. I didn't really do anything. I just plugged it in and then look at my phone. That's it. So if you want to grab one, go to bitcoinmerch.com and grab a Marslander or grab an R909 upgrade and simply plug it into your Marslander, and now you're expanding it 5x, 6x the performance. So easy. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.